Well, guys, this is a video request. This little regulating circuit board. It's an LM2596 DC to DC converter. Takes 12 volts input, and you should be able to adjust the voltage on the output, which is that direction. A buddy of mine got a bunch of these, and apparently the voltage didn't adjust with the variable right here. This variable here couldn't adjust the voltage down at all, and I was playing around with it, and what I discovered is that the pins on the regulator weren't wouldn't fully soldered to the board, so they couldn't so the regulator couldn't do what you wanted it to do. So I'm just going to adjust the voltage here just by adjusting that variable potentiometer, and we're going to go clockwise. Going clockwise here with it. It'll go up to about, I don't know, 10.4, 11 volts, something like that. 12 volts. And let's see, how much further does it go? That's it, 12.86. I'm going to go counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. And I had the voltmeter on it for about an hour, and the voltage do not move. So once it's set, it's set. You could replace this with a regular potentiometer. So about 1.24 volts. It's all the way counterclockwise. So you go clockwise, to increase your voltage, counterclockwise to reduce your voltage. So yeah, that's the little board. No, it's not a whole lot to it. You got two electrolytic caps, inductor, variable resistor, handful of resistors, SMT resistors, and capacitors, and of course you got your voltage regulator. That's this big fella right here. I don't know if you can see it, LM whatever. Well, it's what's on the bottom of the board here. It was marked on it, LM2596. So yeah, it does indeed work. So otherwise, if you've got one of these boards that doesn't seem to be increasing voltage on it at all, first thing I would suggest is to reflow the solder connections on the regulator, as well as your capacitors and diode and whatnot. So anyway, just a little video, and we'll see if we can come up on another video there. Hey folks, all the best. 7-3, and we'll chat later.